Managing your entire project, tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration can be easy with just a few clicks. And that's exactly what we're going to walk you through today. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to turn your workflow into a well-oiled machine using ClickUp, the all-in-one platform that simplifies everything.
Check out our free community in the description below. It's packed with resources and tools for both new and experienced project managers. Now let's dive into ClickUp. We're starting at the home page where your project journey begins. Look towards the left-hand sidebar and click the plus new space button. See these options to create a list or a board. Select list for a clean, linear format or board for a visual drag-and-drop experience. Let's set up a board and move forward with your project. Once the board is set up, see this clear visual layout to manage your tasks. This board will serve as your central hub for tracking progress and assigning tasks. Now that we're inside the board, the layout may feel familiar if you've used platforms like Monday.com or Asana. However, ClickUp's free plan offers many features that other platforms charge for, making it a great choice for beginners. Now let's get started by familiarizing ourselves with the main workspace. This area is your project control center, where all tasks, updates, and progress come together. Right now, we're viewing it in the list view. ClickUp offers multiple ways to visualize your tasks. To switch to the board view, head over to the top right corner of your workspace and click the Views drop-down. Select Board, and watch how your tasks now appear in a visual column-based format. You can drag and drop tasks across columns like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. If you're managing timelines, try the Gantt view. Simply click Views again and select Gantt. While Gantt is great for seeing task dependencies and timelines, it's more complex, so stick with list or board. For simplicity, I recommend sticking to the list view for now. It gives you a clear, structured overview of what's happening across your project, with all your tasks neatly organized. From here, you'll have everything in one place, making it easy to monitor progress and stay on top of deadlines. Let's take this a step further by making sure your team is fully involved in the process. Every project runs smoothly when everyone knows exactly what they need to do, and that's where team collaboration comes in. To add your team members, click the People icon in the top right corner of your board. You'll see an option to invite members. Enter their email addresses and send the invite. Once they accept, they will be able to view and update tasks in real time. Each team member can track their own progress and collaborate seamlessly with the rest of the group. ClickUp gives you default task statuses like Complete, Ready, and In Progress. But these may not fit your workflow. Click the gear icon next to statuses to add your own, like Editing or Reviewing. These custom statuses help your team stay organized and focused. For example, let's create a new category called Edit. This label will be used specifically for tasks related to video editing. Now we're adding a task directly under the Edit section. Here, you can name it something clear, like Edit Video Draft, and that task will now live within its category. This customized approach gives your team clarity and structure. Every task is clearly labeled and everyone knows exactly what to focus on. Now that your team is set up and tasks are organized, let's ensure everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for and when they need to be done. Here's how it works. We need to assign Tony to edit the video. By selecting the Assignee option, I can choose Tony from the team list. With that, Tony now sees this task on his dashboard and is ready for action. Now imagine you're managing several tasks at once and need to ensure none of them fall behind. To keep tasks on track, set clear deadlines. Click the calendar icon next to the task and select a due date. Let's set this one to Saturday. If the task is urgent, click the priority drop-down and mark it as urgent so Tony knows it needs immediate attention. This seamless system keeps everyone on track, ensuring that tasks are not only assigned but completed on time and in the right order of priority. To track progress, use ClickUp's built-in status updates. Click a task and select In Progress, Stuck, or Done from the options. These updates ensure the entire team knows the status of each task in real time. Each task can be assigned a clear status to show where it stands. These statuses keep you in the loop at every stage, from start to finish. For example, let's update the status of a task. Right now, the video editing task is underway, so we'll mark it as in progress. If Tony hits a roadblock or encounters an issue, you can quickly change the status to stuck. This way, the entire team is instantly aware that attention is needed. When the task is completed, simply switch the status to done. These status updates give you an immediate bird's-eye view of your project. You'll see exactly which tasks are moving forward, which ones need attention, and which are completed. If any task lingers in the stuck category, you can follow up directly with the team member responsible and address the issue before it causes delays. With this system, nothing falls through the cracks, and you maintain control over your project's progress with just a glance. ClickUp isn't just about managing tasks. It's also flexible and customizable, giving you the tools to tailor the platform exactly to your project's needs. Right here, you'll notice a small plus icon. This is where ClickUp's flexibility truly comes into play. Click the small plus icon on the top right corner of your task view. From here, you can create custom fields like budget, phone number, or team role. Let's add a budget field to track project costs. Simply click Add Field, name it Budget, and now you can input any necessary budget details for this task. Custom fields give you the power to track whatever specific data matters most to your project. Now, let's say you need to keep track of your team members' roles, contact details, or even the project budget. You can add fields for phone numbers, assign team roles, or input budget amounts. Whether you need to manage currencies, deadlines, or any unique project element, these custom fields can be set up in seconds. Unlike other platforms where you need to pay to access these features, ClickUp provides most of them in the free version. This level of flexibility gives you full control over your project's data without the added cost. And while ClickUp offers a paid plan with even more advanced features, for most beginners, the free version will cover all your bases, from task management to project tracking.
With these options at your fingertips, you're not just managing tasks, you're shaping a system that works specifically for you and your team. Now that you've seen how to set up tasks, assign team members, track progress, and customize your workspace, you're ready to get started. Go ahead and create your first project board in ClickUp. Invite your team, and start managing tasks more efficiently. Remember, ClickUp's flexibility means you can tailor it exactly to your workflow. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials and in-depth project management topics, and click the link in the description to join our free community where you can access some amazing free tools and resources and collaborate with other project managers on trending topics. Thanks for watching. See you next time.